Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off sound effects on Golf Blitz. So let's get started. First of all, open the Golf Blitz app on your device. Now wait until the game gets fully loaded. Next, tap on the gear button. Here, toggle off the button beside sound effects. And that's it. This is how you can turn off sound effects on Golf Blitz. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.